start with dialogue. You can start with like the sample there. You describe on the let's say you want to describe on the trip here. How you will frightened because of the bus travel at high speed, for example here. Okay, then for the next few paragraphs on how you expand the points later, the body of your essay, you can develop the story line. So this is where after this I want you to come up with the
Ingat saya dah pekak tu ni.
Okey, sekali lagi. Sampai buang pelakon duduk. Tarik. Tahan. Cepat.
the law not stage follow. He follow his boyfriend.
Keluar dengan Pak Awang
Right.
tanpa bertemu
Right.
dia.
Right.
Pak Awang mau pula. Follow his boyfriend.
Right. Actually, an essay which gives lots of advantage to students. Then because it allows creativity. The story is yours. You can write any story, isn't it? What you can add is, I could do nothing, but they stood there, just stood there to wait for him to come down. Alright. Now he explained to me that his father used to lock him up in a chair when there was rest, when he did not score A for any of his subjects. Poor thing. I apologize. Now this one story, they don't have conclusion. You learn on the short story of Muhammad and Talishus, do you? Isn't it? By Cik Husna Azhari, you see, in that story, you recall back on that story. Do you think that this story has conclusion? When Jamal was about to get married, and then his sister asked him, "Where is your shirt?" Right. After this incident, I began to understand him better. Eventually, his firm friend. Because he has told it, isn't it? And you remember the story. Okay? So, sometimes you can live to the result to get on the ending here. It's up to you.
And makeup and makeup.
Makeup.
M-A-C-E.
Yes.